Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The market is expected to open on a flat to positive note, driven by strong quarterly results, optimism surrounding around the upcoming union budget, and the RBI's move to conduct an open market operations worth rupees 60,000 crore to enhance liquidity in the banking system. To start with our first segment for Thursday, 30th January 2025, Nifty index opened positive above 23,000 and witnessed buying throughout the day, and the base shifted higher till the last hour. It went on to comfortably trade above 23,150 and closed with gains of around 200 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and has started forming higher highs, higher lows from the last two trading sessions. India VIX was marginally up to 18.2 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.06. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,700 to 23,700, while immediate range is in between 22,900 to 23,400 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,586 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,793 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 25%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 23,150 for strength towards 23,350 and 23,500, while support can be seen at 22,800. Bank Nifty has to hold above 49,000 for a bounce towards 49,750 marks, while support can be seen at 49,000. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Indian Bank, Persistent, Bajaj Finance, Manappuram, LTTS, Bajaj Finserv and Mphasis. While some weakness could be seen in Berger Paints, Ambuja Cement, Asian Paints, Godrej CP, Dabur, IndiaMart and Dixon. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.